Popping everybody, you know why it is, man. My name is Aubreaction Mr. Aubreaction. So we are back and back and back and back and back and back again. So hey man, this one, I hope I'm gonna pronounce this one right, but it's Blxckie, Blxckie. It was with Nasty C. Yeah, times 4. This one is official audio. So guys, I'm not even gonna waste time. If you're new here, please subscribe, hit that like button, and hey man, share it to your friends, because hey, we are growing and we are growing so fast like a sky rocket. Hey, I spoke nonsense, but hey man, let's go. Blxckie, and then Nasty C. Yeah, times 4 official audio. Let's go. Sleep. I hope I catch them bars, man. I hope I catch them bars. Yo.
Yeah, y'all.
Hey, y'all.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm loving this chorus, this hook, man.
Yeah, nigga was.
You know, I'm thinking about doing some TikTok, something about like a TikTok video. I'm gonna do that. Let's go.
Yeah, nigga, what's happening? 7 letter out the alphabet, real G, nigga, no wagon.
7 letter on the alphabet, real G, no wagon. Oh, new wagon, no wagon. But it's something like 7 letter on the A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 7 letter alphabet, real nigga, no wagon. You know, G wagon. You know what it is, man. So yeah.
Fast, no copy, yeah. Run it up, chicken tally, yeah. Run it up, chicken standing, yeah. I'ma slide on the beat, yeah. I'ma dive in.
I'm a slap on the beat. Ooh.
Tally, yeah. Run it up, chicken standing, yeah. I'ma slide on the beat, yeah. I'ma dive in the, yeah. I'ma dive in the T, H-O-T. Like it's a thought, I'm in a pot, P-O-T.
I'm a diver, H-O-T. H-O-T. Oh, I didn't catch that one. I didn't.
Yeah, I'm a dive in the, yeah, I'm a dive in the T, H-O-T, like it's a thought, I'm in a pot, P-O-T, I'm trying to do it on camera, baby, what's happening, yeah, P-O-V, I be so hot if you ask you.
Hey man, every guy knows porn, so POV, we know that come on, man.
Niggas can't handle, that's on me, that's on me, that's on me, yeah. I just landed it. They're go out, LOL, I just landed in London. My pockets be talking and Jackson and singing and shit. Your pockets still humming. He passed me the ball and I dunk it. Yeah, boy, I shoot up the 3. Going dummy, going stupid and deep. Not touch up the phone and Uber and fleece. How do I keep this shit smoother than grease? I can tell you, but you wouldn't believe. Fucking with me, you bruise, you bleed. Now let that nigga count his money and please. Be in a game, play catch and release. Catching that hoe, send her back to the streets. Oh, she's trying to have a baby with me. Stupid ass girl, you as dumb as could be. Yeah. How do you feel about being so saucy? Yeah, that's what they ask me. Yeah, I be so fly like a fucking saucer. Yeah, I am an alien. Keep the bag in my shoebox. 10 flame, I need 2 Glocks. I be flying than an eagle. You be flying than a peacock. You be flying than a dodo. Your girl trying to take photos. That's a T, no Joko. That's a real big no-no. Big drip, big splash, big go. Oh, you gonna need a poncho. Pulling up at the doors like go.
This song, guys, yo.
Big drip, big splash, big go. Oh, you gonna need a poncho. Pulling up at the doors like go. Trying to put my dogs on. Yeah.
I love this, man. This one, Blxckie or Blxckie and Nasty say, yeah, times 4. Yeah. I love the song, man. I love this song, man. I love this song. And even though I know that I missed some expression on Nasty C, but I'm glad that I was able to catch 2 or 3 bars, there. But yeah, man, beautiful track, man. There's nothing more to say about it. Don't forget, you can go on Facebook, and you can catch me on Facebook. Also, the Aubreaction Rsa, you can catch me at the page. And also, you can also go follow me on Twitter, Aubreaction_SA, and then also on TikTok it's at @mangenge_. So that's where you can find me. I love you all, guys. Let's yeah.